Welcome to COSENG Limited UK. At COSENG, we offer digital solutions to businesses and to individuals. It doesn't matter what the business need might look like. We are here to meet all your business needs. We cover different service areas. Actually, within COSENG, we have 5 different service areas. We have COSENG Engineering and Biogas. We have COSENG Tech Consult, where we look into digital solutions like software development, app development, and any other customized solutions that you will need for your businesses. We also have COSENG Tech Academy or COSENG Training Academy. In COSENG Training Academy, we offer different services and train students and businesses to individuals on data analytics, business analytics, project management, software development, digital marketing. So if you are an individual or a business and you would like to partner with COSENG on each and every one of these services, please get in touch. We also have a service area for photography, and we cover photography services for schools, universities, be it birthdays, wedding parties. We are your go-to for those services. We also have an area of COSENG for property management. We're also into real estate and property management. If you want to partner with us on any properties of your choice, please get in touch with COSENG. But I just want to talk a little bit more on our software development solutions. We've had a lot of great feedback from our customers on the solutions we brought to their businesses. Like, for example, recently, we just built a system, or we designed a website for a beauty salon where their customers are able to book them online for the different services they offer in their beauty salon, be it nail, be it hair, and they can manage their bookings within the software solution, and they can also track how much revenue their business is generating at any single time. Not just that, within that particular the software, they have the opportunity to install the app of their website solution on their phone, where they can actually monitor the customers that have booked for the next service. They can add it to their calendar. You can say it is an all-in-one solution for a beauty salon. We can also offer these services to any other businesses around the world. Get in touch with COSENG Limited, and we will solve your business needs. You could be asking, how do I go about it? It's very simple. Fill out a form on our website to contact us, and we will schedule a meeting with you. After that, we'll understand a little bit about your business need, and then we'll take it up from there. The end goal is that your business will be flourishing because we are able to tailor our solution to meet your business problems. Thank you very much, and I look forward to partnering with you, and I also look forward to seeing you. Bye.